GORE Microwave RF Assemblies 7 Series by W.L. Gore & Associates Incorporated are engineered to prevent the ingress of water vapor, fuels, oils, chemicals, and other hazardous contaminants commonly found in airborne environments. With their vapor-sealed construction, these assemblies consistently maintain low insertion loss, low VSWR, and excellent phase stability through 40 GHz, while providing outstanding shielding effectiveness in challenging aerospace environments. Research has shown that more than 75% of microwave RF assemblies are frequently replaced because of damage during installation or operation. Costs can quickly add up with replacing assemblies, extra labor, and more maintenance and downtime. With a smaller, more flexible construction and tighter bend radius, GORE Microwave RF Assemblies 7 Series are proven to provide exceptional mechanical protection and electrical performance, along with easier installation and routing, unmatched by standard rigid assemblies. GORE's end-to-end sealed solution enhances durability and reliability. With this, GORE Microwave RF assemblies achieve better signal integrity and attenuation for connecting the aircraft to servers on the ground or satellite. The 7 Series has been thoroughly tested and qualified with approved aerospace materials for commercial airborne applications, ensuring superior performance over the aircraft's lifetime, fewer replacements, reduced system downtime, and lower total costs. As such, GORE Microwave RF Assemblies 7 Series have been selected for use in Smart Sky Network's Airborne Test Lab, developed to optimize their new air-to-ground network, and for use by the European Aviation Network, providing Wi-Fi internet access on European short-haul flights. Typical applications include L-band air-to-ground (ATG) networks, active electronically steered phase arrays, GPS connectivity, Iridium, Ku and Ka-band SATCOM antennas, and Swift broadband. Note that GORE's 7 Series provides airframes with a durable vapor-sealed option, especially for cables under 5 feet. For cables that are longer than 10 feet, GORE encourages a more ruggedized vapor-sealed option with its 6 Series. GORE Microwave RF Assemblies 7 Series deliver proven failure-free performance after installation and over the lifetime of the aircraft in a small, lightweight, flexible, and routable package for mission-critical success. Visit gore.com/7 Series to learn more and access related resources.